MOVICO Giant XL. The MOVICO Giant XL is a state-of-the-art mobile event structure developed by MOVICO. This next-generation solution is designed to provide the ultimate hospitality and brand experiences. What makes the Giant XL unique is its ability to transform a 45-foot container unit into a triple-deck venue within 3 hours, all with just 2 people. This venue, which has the volume of 6 45-foot containers, includes a viewing deck on top. It comes equipped with features like climate control and LED lighting. Developed in-house by MOVICO in just 9 months, the Giant XL sets a new standard in the luxury hospitality segment. Offering 180 square meters of space, the Giant XL is an ideal exclusive hospitality area for guests at sports events and corporate marketing events. STX 3 Pop-Outs Motorhome. The STX 3 Pop-Outs Motorhome is a luxurious vehicle designed for comfort on the road. It features a striking design and has 3 large pop-outs that create a generous interior space. The living area is equipped with a sofa, a smart TV, an air conditioning system, and a wireless charger. The kitchen includes induction cooking plates, a cooker hood, a microwave oven grill combo. The master bedroom features a double bed, a smart TV, an air conditioning system, wireless chargers, and storage. The bathroom is equipped with a shower set, a sink, a toilet, a ventilator, a towel dryer, a mirror, a soap dispenser, and a trash bin. The STX 3 Pop-Outs Motorhome is built on a chassis of either Mercedes Actros, Scania S500, or Scania V8 and weighs 26t with a power of 510 HP. The Foretravel Motorcoach IH45 is a top-tier motorhome designed for ultimate comfort and style during travel. It's powered by a robust Cummins ISX engine and an Allison 4000 mH transmission, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride. The motorhome is built on a Travel Ride 2 chassis, which, along with an ASP anti-lock braking system and automatic slack adjusters, guarantees a safe and comfortable journey. The living area is furnished with a comfortable sofa, a smart TV, an air conditioning system, and a wireless charger. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern amenities including induction cooking plates, a cooker hood, a microwave oven grill combo, a fridge with a freezer, and a waste bin. The bathroom is fitted with a shower set, a sink, a toilet, a ventilator, a towel dryer, a mirror, a soap dispenser, and a trash bin. The master bedroom features a double bed, a smart TV, an air conditioning system, wireless chargers, and ample storage space. The motorhome also includes a garage for additional storage and is equipped with a comprehensive set of technical equipment. The TaylorMade Tour Truck is a cutting-edge, double-decker mobile unit that serves as a home base for TaylorMade's dedicated tour staff. Unveiled in downtown Austin, Texas, this 42-foot-long, 22-ton truck is inspired by the massive rig seen on the Formula One racing circuit. The truck features dual slide-out pods and a second level for meeting space. It houses 12 individual player lockers for 4K HDR televisions, a 2-zone sound system, and a modernized workshop equipped with multiple loft line machines, shaft cutters, and a dedicated gripping station. The living area is furnished with a comfortable sofa, a smart TV, an air conditioning system. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern amenities including induction cooking plates, a cooker hood. "30-feet Expandable Container." The 30-feet Expandable Container is a mobile space solution that offers a compact exterior for transport and a spacious area when set up. It's small when not in use, but expands to more than double its size, providing a flat surface area of 452 square feet. It uses remotely operated hydraulic cylinders to lower during setup, and once expanded, these cylinders are positioned out of sight. The container can be transported safely by a regular truck and is equipped with 4 twist locks on the chassis. The container is highly customizable to meet various requirements and is easily deployable at any location, making it ideal for exhibitions or roadshows. It's particularly useful for product demonstrations due to its compact shape and cargo space during transport. Thor Vision Vehicle. The Thor Vision Vehicle is a groundbreaking concept in the realm of recreational vehicles, RVs, heralding a future of electric motorized RVing. Built on Thor's exclusive motorized platform, it's powered by a high-voltage battery pack and an integrated fuel cell. This innovative power system, coupled with enhanced solar capability, offers extended off-grid camping capability. The vehicle is designed to provide a best-in-class range of 300 miles, powered by a high-capacity battery pack and an integrated fuel cell. It also features digital tools to assist in every aspect of the electric RV experience, including tools that allow you to quickly see how many miles before your next charge and find charging stations from your phone. The Thor Vision Vehicle offers a unique digital house experience, featuring an innovative and intuitive RV experience with an integrated digital cockpit. Marathon Coach. The Marathon Coach 1379 is a luxurious motorhome that boasts a range of high-end features. The interior includes a step-up private rear bathroom and one luxury bedroom, providing a comfortable and convenient space. The Marathon Coach 1379 is a testament to Marathon's commitment to quality and luxury in their motorhomes. Marathon 1379 is one of amazing motorhome in the world. It's equipped with a Crestron audio system with surround sound, a Girard automatic awning package with fairings, and a 20 kW Kohler generator with auto-gen. The coach also features a patented Freedom Plus sewer system and a patented TechLink electrical system. Expandable Trailer Food Truck, often referred to as a food truck, is a mobile kitchen that can be tailored to suit specific needs. This enables the serving of fresh, hot food directly to customers, regardless of the location. The interior of the food truck can be fitted with all necessary kitchen appliances such as a stove, oven, refrigerator, and sink. Some models even come with additional features like a built-in sound system or a flat-screen TV. In essence, an expandable trailer food truck offers a flexible and efficient solution for mobile catering, allowing culinary skills to be brought directly to customers. CMC Motorhome. The CMC Motorhome is a luxurious and innovative motorhome designed by CMC Caravan, an Italian company renowned for its excellence in the world of luxury motorhomes. However, when parked, it transforms into a spacious living area through the use of two lateral slide-outs that extend the length of the trailer and two more extensions in the front and rear. CMC have one of amazing and very luxury bedroom. It represents the perfect blend of tradition and innovation, showcasing elegant shapes, prestigious materials, and the unique comforts of a CMC's motorhomes. Ecocapsule. The Ecocapsule is a self-sustainable micro-home that offers the luxury of a hotel room in places out of reach of infrastructure. This smart, self-sustainable micro-unit utilizes solar and wind energy, making it an ideal independent midterm accommodation for one or two people. The Ecocapsule have washroom with shower, toilet, kitchen cooker, and double bed for two people sleeping. The installed solar power is 880 W, and it also has a low-noise wind turbine delivering up to 750 W during day and night. Rainwater is collected on the surface, where it's collected to a water tank and filtered for your convenience. The Ecocapsule can be used as an urban dwelling for singles in high-rent, high-income areas like New York or Silicon Valley. It's a testament to the company's commitment to sustainable and independent living. It can be used as a cottage, pop-up hotel, mobile office, research station, or anything else you need.